talking about fiber from the apple. Oh. I'm not really concerned with that. I just got it because I already had 3 coffees. Music festival looks good. Okay. Yeah, the pictures, I don't know what year they were taken from, but a lot of people. I'm a little bit worried if I take the stream there, the internet would work. I see they have their own fireworks show though, separate from Petronas, which makes sense because you probably can't see Petronas from there. But that would really suck to go through all the work of being at that event and leaving my family behind and still not be able to stream. It's a gamble. Unless my family comes with me. Well, you know, in like Chinese culture, they always take the skin off the apples because they either think it's more pretty or more healthy that way or something. I forget what it's called. I think more pretty. There's a reason though.